1960s makeup look with Colorlab Private Label. I got a flawless canvas using the Creamy Almond Cream to Powder Foundation along with the beige concealer. Next, I went in with Wink Mineral Eyeshadow and just packed that all over the lid. And just blend that in. You know what to do. Using the Black Cake Mineral Eyeliner with a few drops of the Stuck On You Eyeliner Fixative, this combination creates a long wear liquid eyeliner. This is the tricky part. I'm lining the upper part of my crease. Next, I'm adding a thicker black liner to the lash line. Next, I'm painting little fake eyelashes along the bottom lash line using that same Black Cake Mineral Eyeliner. This look would not be complete without false lashes. This is a beautiful pink blush called Ecstasy. This is Ginger Lip Liner, such a creamy, smooth formula, and this color is the perfect pairing for Exposed. This is a beautiful pinky beige lipstick, perfect for a 1960s look. There you go. I'm feeling myself. Thanks for watching.